Telegram login with QR code scanning. So if you want to log into your Telegram without the mobile number or your code, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and you can search for Telegram. Go with the first option. Or if you have the application, then you can just simply go with your application, open up your application. Or if you don't have the application, you can go with your browser. Now you need to scroll down and you need to go with PC option or whichever device you're using. So I'll just simply go with PC and click on Get Telegram, and you'll be able to download that Telegram application. Once you've downloaded, open up your Telegram desktop app. Once you open, now it will take you to this kind of interface. Here, as it says that you need to open up your Telegram on your phone and you need to go with your settings, devices, and link desktop device. So you need to open up your mobile device, and on your mobile device, you need to open up your Telegram application and go with the top left, which has that 3 bar, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you can scroll down again and tap on devices. Under devices, now you need to tap on link a desktop device and scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, now you need to enter your cloud password. Go with submit. That's it. That's how you can log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.